everyone, welcome back to my class. Today I'll teach you how to find the square roots by division method by giving some examples. Okay, so let's start. So let's take example number 1. There is given 9.61. So what we do? First of all, we need to make pair from the right hand side. Okay, not from the left hand, from the right hand, so that the decimal doesn't come in between. If somehow somewhere you find any number like 5.6, then what to do? You cannot make the pair of the number like 56 because the decimal will come in the middle, no? So what we do, whenever we have an odd number of digits in the right hand side of the decimal, then we make as an even number of digit. So here we will place at least 1 0 so that we can make a pair, so that the decimal doesn't come in between the pair. And this thing is done when we need to find a square root of any number up to 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place, 4 decimal place, and so on. Okay, so here we have done the pair from right. So 61 comes in the pair and 9 is alone. Now for 9 you have to choose a number. It's not like 2 3s or 3. Coincidentally 3 3 same number comes here for 9, but suppose if it would be 8, then it could not make like 2 4s are 8. You have to choose same number for the divisor and for the quotient also. So here 3 3s are 9. 61 comes down together. What is the difference between this general division and long division method for finding the square root is that here in the square root the number comes as a pair, and in a simple division the number comes alone. Now the other most important thing is, whatever the quotient come here, that's you make twice, not this. Always to be taken the twice of the quotient. 3, so 3 2s are 6. Now again the same process, what we did here, the same number was chosen. Here also you have to choose in such a way, if you take here 1, there also to be taken 1. If you take here 2, then there also should be 2. But if I take 2, then it would be greater than 61. So I have taken 1. 1 1s are 1, then 166, and the decimal will be in the same place. So it's finished. Square root of 9.61 is equal to 3.1. Okay. Then another one. Now the another number 2 is 0.0625. So while finding the square root, you need to make pair from the right. Here is a pair, there is a pair. So the number which comes before the decimal is 0. So there will be 0, then decimal. Now you have to choose some number for 06, that means 6. So you can't take 2 3s are 6. So what should be taken? 2. 2 2s are 4. We cannot take 3 also. 3 3s are 9. It will be greater than 6. So here it comes 2. Okay. Now this 25 will come down together. What I told, that this quotient have to be made twice. Don't take the decimal, only the number digit 2. So it will be 2 2s are 4. Now you have to choose a number here, so that there must also be the same. To get 5, that is a hint, to get 5 we cannot take other number other than 5. So I have started 5. So here should also be taken 5. Then 45 5s gives you 225. So that's all. Square root of 0.06 is equal to 0.25, right? Teaching you how to find the square root up to 2 decimal place or 3 decimal place. Whenever we need to find up to 2 decimal place, that means after the decimal we must have 3 pairs of numbers, digits, and when it is asked for 3 decimal place, to be taken 4 pair of digits. Okay, let's do. Here it is 1.8, but you don't go for making 18 as a pair. What we do in this case, whenever we have odd number of digits after the decimal, odd number means after decimal only one digit is there, somewhere maybe 3 digit, somewhere maybe 5 digit. So for making the pair, this decimal won't come in between the pair. So what we do, we put 1 0, then it will be a pair. But as it is needed to be find out 2 decimal place, so how many pairs we required? We need 3 pairs. You place zeros for making the pair, right? Now go for doing 1 1 ja 1 decimal. Here it doesn't come anything, so 80 comes down. This one you make twice, 1 2 are 2, so there we need 3. If you place 3, then 23 3s are, here it comes 69, then 1 1 and 1 pair will come. This time we have 13, not 1.3, we have 13. 13 you make twice, it comes 26. Here if I place 4, then there also to be placed 4, so the number comes 1056. Here it is 44, 1 pair is left. Okay, so 134, now you make twice, it gives you 2681 and 8 268. Here one time is required only, not more. If you place more number, more digit, then it will be greater than 4400. So it comes 2681. Does here the remainder comes. Now it's not required, because as we are asked for finding 2 decimal place, already we have taken out 3 decimal place. Now we check. We need to keep only 2 digit after the decimal. If the next number, next digit is either 5 or more than 5, then 1 will be added to the previous number. But if this number which we are leaving is less than 5, then no number will be added to the previous, so it will remain as it is. So the answer comes as square root of 1.8 gives you 1.34, right? Now in the other question, 0.019, here we have 3 digit. So what we do, first we have made even number, 1 pair, 2 pairs, but as we need 3 digit after decimal, so 1 more pair is required. Here it is 0 times, no need to place, leave it. So here it's 1, so 1 time, then 90 comes down. Okay, and for 90, this 1 2s are 2, and we need to place 3, so it gives you 69. Then here it comes 21 and 2 zeros comes down, that this pair 13 you need to make twice, 13 2s are 26. Then here it's required 7 1 8 6 9 2 31. Now no more, because we have already taken out 137. Okay, so we will just find the digit what you are leaving. If it is more than 5 or 5, then we have to add one digit with the previous number, one number with the previous number. So here, when you find the square root of the number, then what do you do? 0.137 and dot dot more. Here one digit, one number will be added to this because it is 7 more than 5. Okay, so the approximate value will be 1/4. 1 is added with 3, it become 4. You write approx. Right? I'm showing you how to find the square root of this number, this type of number, up to 3 decimal place or 4 decimal place, whatever it is. I have chosen for 3 decimal place. First of all, you need to make it as an improper fraction, then after the decimal. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. So if you make it as a decimal, 2.6, many 6's are comes. But as we are finding 3 decimal place, so we need 4 pairs of numbers. Okay, so we will keep only 4 pairs. Here we'll start 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs and 4 pairs, right? So for 2 we will choose a number. We can choose 1, not 2. 2 2s are 4, it will be greater. So 1 1s are 1. Then 1 comes and then 66 comes down. 1 you make twice, 2, then 6 times 156. Then here comes tens, 1 more pair, 66 will come down. 16 you make twice. Then we need to place here 3 so that the number comes 969. Here it is 97 and 1 pair comes down. 1 pair, 2 pair, this pair comes down. And 163 you make double, 3 26. Here we will place 2. 3 2 6 2. 1 second, here by mistake a dot is placed. We need to multiply it by 2, so it comes 6 5 2 4. So when subtraction is done, that is 2 and 1 pair comes. 1 6 3 2 you make double, so it would be 3 2 6 4. There I have tried. If we place here 9, then maximum there will be 9 and the number comes 2 9 3 8 4 1. 3 0 4 2 5 and no more is required because we need to find 3 decimal place. So already we have taken a 4 decimal place. So therefore square root of 2 is to 2 by 3 can be written as 1.6329 and dot dot. So we will, what we will do, after keeping the 3 decimal place, this 9 has to be left. So from 9 1 will be added, it will become 3, right? So you write approx. So I have given you the concept how to find the square root by using division method. Okay, hope you all have understood. Thank you.